The SEC has accused Binance of allowing select, high-profile, U.S. investors to continue using its platform. Furthermore, Binance.US, the platform created to serve as a crypto exchange with allegedly no ties to Binance, has now been found to be controlled by the global crypto exchange and Zhao. Through 13 charges, we allege that Zhao and Binance entities engaged in an extensive web of deception, conflicts of interest, lack of disclosure, and calculated evasion of the law, said SEC Chair Gary Gensler. My name is Quetzal and I help teach people about money, personal finance, and investing. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. As alleged, Zhao and Binance misled investors about their risk controls and corrupted trading volumes while actively concealing who was operating the platform, the manipulative trading of its affiliated market maker, and even where and with whom investor funds and crypto assets were custodied. Attempted to evade U.S. securities laws by announcing sham controls that they disregarded behind the scenes so that they could keep high-value U.S. customers on their platforms. The public should beware of investing any of their hard-earned assets with or on these unlawful platforms. Binance is not alone in the firing line. Not even a day after the news broke out about Binance's lawsuit, the SEC announced it was also going to be suing Coinbase too. The crypto asset trading platform was accused of being an unregistered national securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. Coinbase was also charged for failing to register the offer and sale of its crypto asset staking as a service program. Additionally, the SEC accused Coinbase of providing a marketplace and bringing together the orders for securities of multiple buyers and sellers using established, non-discretionary methods under which such orders interact. Engaging in the business of effecting securities transactions for the accounts of Coinbase customers, and provides facilities for comparison of data respecting the terms of settlement of crypto asset securities transactions, serves as an intermediary in settling transactions in crypto asset securities by Coinbase customers, and acts as a securities depository. The SEC's complaint, filed in U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York, alleges that Coinbase and CGI violated certain registration provisions of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. Furthermore, it suggests Coinbase violated the securities offering registration provisions of the Securities Act of 1933. The complaint seeks injunctive relief, disgorgement of ill-gotten gains plus interest, penalties, and other equitable relief. The public should beware of investing any of their hard-earned assets with or on these unlawful platforms. Gary Gensler. 5 things to know in crypto next week. SEC v Ripple and Hinman docs. It is a big week ahead for the crypto market. While the US CPI report and the Fed will influence, there could be a twist in the SEC v Ripple case. It is a busy week ahead on the US economic calendar, with US inflation, the Fed interest rate decision, and FOMC projections in the spotlight. The SEC will release unredacted versions of the infamous William Hinman speech-related docs that could force a settlement. However, investors should also consider U.S. retail sales, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, U.S. jobless claims, and Michigan consumer sentiment numbers in the second half of the week. With recessionary fears lingering, economic data from China will also need consideration. On Thursday, industrial production and retail sales figures will move the dial. This morning, the crypto market cap was down $87.8 billion, minus 7.93%, to $1,019 billion. XRP v SEC. William Hinman's speech docs out on June 13th. On June 13th, the SEC will release unredacted William Hinman speech-related documents. Since 2021, the SEC has attempted to shield the documents under the attorney-client privilege in at least 7 motions. However, the court denied the final SEC motion to seal the Hinman speech-related documents in mid-May. The unredacted speech-related documents could materially influence the SEC v Ripple case outcome, which has been ongoing since December 2020. Significantly, the content could also pressure U.S. lawmakers to rein in the SEC and reassess its regulation by enforcement mantra that has snared numerous platforms and culminated in charges against Binance US, Binance COCZ, and Coinbase hints of an SEC ripple settlement would be a boon for XRP and the broader market. SEC activity, SEC v Binance, and SEC v Coinbase related news will also move the dial. US and China economic indicators. It is a big week ahead on the US economic calendar. Among the 5 things to know in crypto, the US CPI report will garner plenty of interest on Tuesday. Sticky inflation would fuel bets on a more hawkish Fed interest rate trajectory to tame inflation. On Wednesday, wholesale inflation numbers will also move the dial before the Fed interest rate decision, the FOMC economic projections, and the Fed Chair Powell press conference. A surprise 25 basis point hike and a hawkish outlook would weigh. This of course did not turn out to be true, and the same situation is likely in store for Pepe. The hard truth is coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were on the decline anyway before Pepe came along. The rebirth of the meme coin with no utility turned out to be fantastic for a lot of investors, but the key lesson we have learned is you have to know when to get out of these projects. We think the Pepe craze might be coming to an end, but that doesn't mean you can't find the next meme coin that will pump just like it. We think there are 2 current candidates on the market that are ready to take the meme coin throne. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. We have some bullish Pepe news coming for you today. As many believe, a breakout is confirmed. They're comparing the Pepe chart, which is the most famous meme point in 2023, to the Shiba Inu chart of 2021. And why many do believe an all-time high is incoming. But first off, guys, happy June 9th day. Pepe always with it with memes. Good morning and happy June 9th. Huge news here guys that not a lot of people are talking about. Pepe started less than 2 months ago and just hit 300,000 plus followers on Twitter. All organic, all real followers. Salute to the Pepe army, guys, and congrats on 300k. But like I said, Pepe is up 7% on the day. It was just up 7% of the day, sitting at a $488.96, almost $489 million market. Now, like I said, a lot of people do believe a Pepe breakout is imminent, and the reason why, when you're looking at this chart, guys, obviously launched on April 19th, shot up to a $1.6 billion markup, has been consolidating since there. But if you've been in the meme point space, a lot of meme points are down 90 to 95%. Not Pepe guys. Pepe is holding strong at a $400 million market, anywhere from $400 million to $600 million, which is incredibly bullish. Now I'm gonna pull up the Shiba Inu chart in just a second, guys. But you have to look at this since May 13th. So, almost about a month now, Pepe has been consolidating in this range. And why are consolidations bullish? Well, certain people are selling, but it's giving other people a chance to buy in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.